Hi guys, so this is all about installing a Fire Stick in the car, and this is a Blowpong A35 on a Volkswagen Vento. So main thing is you need to have this AV in and AV out in any of your touchscreen players. Video in and audio in to your player, and take this wire from anywhere possible on your car. This is how the audio signals and the video signals are going into your player. First step. Second step, you need your HDMI supported Fire Stick to play, right? So for that, HDMI to AV converter, which is again available on Amazon. I'll give all the links in the description. So this is what I ordered, and this is how it looks. Why are we doing this? So this is required because we need this to convert to our AV input, HDMI to be converted. So our Fire Stick is going to be installed in this, and this is the video signal cable, the yellow. This is the audio left, white. This is the audio right, red. You just have to color code using this wires and this female pins over here, and that's it. This is how you send signal to your player through your Fire Stick. There are two challenges here, right? So one, your HDMI to AV converter needs power supply, and your Amazon Fire Stick also need power supply. So there are two options. You can use your car charger available in your car, or what I did, I took an extra power cable from behind the car. So now I have this mobile charger in my dash. See, the cable from the Fire Stick is going into this, and the other cable, this is not mandatory in all cases. It depends on your system. So few systems won't support until and unless this has power. So my car doesn't need this, so this is an optional. So I'm not going to use this in this case. So I'll remove this wire for now. So this is the circuit, right? Power to HDMI, HDMI to your system. So how do we check if it's working? Yeah, just go to AV. For in my case it was 2, so came in 2. But the problem here is when you bump up the volume, there's a lot of distortion. If you can hear, I'll be silent. See, that goes off if I remove this audio right and audio left. So now what I understood is there's a lot of audio distortion happening when I give this audio supply to the player. Halfway to the volume it is okay, but when you go 80% or 70%, it is really distorting. So I found a hack for this. There's an audio noise converter which is available again on Amazon. There's an option too, if you don't want to take extra power supply from anywhere, just use a power bank for your Fire Stick. So this is another alternative I'm just telling. So okay, let's talk about the audio distortion I was talking about. If you can see, there's an audio distortion above 70% or 60% of the volume, right? To overcome this, you just have to put this noise reduction converter in between. This is available on Amazon for 650 rupees or something. I'll show you how it works. You just reduce this. You just have to bypass these audio signal wires through this. That's it. So first step, remove your audio L, audio R, audio left, audio right. Okay, so white is your left, red is your right. So audio left, audio right here, white and red, and send the other end of this audio converter to your AV input. That's it. Now, even if my volume is bumped up, I don't have that distortion anymore. This works like a charm, guys. This is a converter you would need. After this, let's go to my YouTube or anything what I want to play.
What you know about rolling down in the What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the
As simple as that, guys. It works like a charm. So basically, this is one small setup you need to carry in your car. What I do is, I have removed my Fire Stick for now. So I have the small GoPro case lying around. So what I do is, I put all the setup in this and I leave it in my dash. So it's not disturbed at all. See, the setup goes here in this box and my Fire Stick is here. This is the only output that is needed to my player, right? The AV cords, and this is the only power cable which is required. So what I always do is I have my power bank here, and this is my Fire Stick setup. I have a hole here. So generally I put this Fire Stick cable inside this, and this box setup, the Fire Stick is on, and I just have to close this up and leave this case in my dash. So this is the only box that is required to be your Fire Stick remote. It just has to be in range. My remote is in my hand and the Fire Stick is in my glove box, and see, it works like a charm. I don't have to like place it near the Fire Stick or something. Okay. Guys, one more thing I want to highlight here is there is an app called Mirror Link. Use that and you can mirror link your iPhone or any phone with a feature Mirror Link. If you go to settings, display and settings, enable display mirroring. In this mode, even Mirror Link is going to work. I'll shoot Mirror Link video some other day and attach. Stay tuned. Probably a week's time from now, I'll show you guys how to use Mirror Link on your head unit. Until next time, peace guys. Bye.